what we want to do now is if the lead becomes an application, we want to add this person to the application list. So we're going to go ahead and knock that out. So I'm going to go back to create a brand new Zap, and I'm going to name the Zap um, application list, add to high level from Colog. Our trigger is going to be Google Sheets again. We're going to select new or updated spreadsheet row. All right, now we can set up our filter. Only continue if the application contains yes. So this is not going to continue because Jill is not an application. So for example, I'm going to pretend he is. I'm going to put yes. So I'm going to pull a different test, and I'm going to pull Dr. Pat. I'm going to set up a filter, fill out application, yes. And since I put Dr. Pat as a yes, this should work. Now she's an application. Now it's going to work. I also have to make sure that I set up an and with this. So if they filled out the application and they booked an appointment, does not exist. So that means they didn't book an appointment yet, and they filled out an application. So she did book an appointment, so it should not work. If I delete this, that means that she didn't book an appointment yet, but she did fill out an application. I might have to retest it, which is perfectly fine. So it works. It's because I had to retest it. So this should be empty and it'll work. So I'm going to go forward with finishing this up. I'm going to select high level, add lead to the campaign, choose campaign, and then I can select the same stuff from before. First name, last name, full name, phone number with the country code, email, for the tag, just like we did before, we're going to select the tag. That's going to be um, this one. And then for the source, we're going to do our UTMs like we did before. Lead, source, and then of course our application questions are going to go under notes. Here's a fast way to do it so that you know how to get it fast. And that's going to be just putting it down here like that. And then after that is done, we can put the questions in the beginning. Okay, and that's that. That's how you add the application list to the high level. Just keep in mind, you don't really need to add appointment to Google Sheet to high level because when they book an appointment, let's say they book through Calendly anyway or high level anyway, that's automatically going to go to high level because you can create the Zap to automatically do it and then automatically go to the Google Sheet. Because the calendar is already in high levels, you won't really have to do any zaps if they're using high levels calendar. So there's no need to have it set up like this. But leads and applications will be.